So it's back to school time, and I'm here with some Dollar Tree finds for our dorm students. First, I'd like to show you this table setting. Look at those vibrant colors. They can go for both male or female students. And over here we have a fluffy, nice pillow. You could put that in the back of your chair while you're studying, or just toss it on your bed for beauty. Glad bags, garbage bags, storage containers, disinfectant spray, hand wash, and here is my proudest find. This basket where I placed bath towels and washcloth, and here we have laundry bags and a hook to place your towels on, so you have less clutter and more space for your roommate. Head over to your nearest dollar store and see if you can find these finds. Happy semester.